Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of AgriTech in India. AgriTech, short for agricultural technology, is the use of innovation to make farming more productive, efficient and profitable. India, a country with a rich agricultural heritage, is facing challenges like climate change, resource constraints, and a growing population. AgriTech is emerging as a powerful tool to address these challenges and transform the Indian agricultural sector. Let's break it down. Imagine using high-tech tools like drones and sensors to monitor your crops or to analyze weather patterns and predict yields. That's the power of AgriTech. AgriTech plays a crucial role in various aspects of agriculture. Here's a look. Intelligent crop planning. Imagine using AI to analyze soil data and suggest the perfect crop for your land. AgriTech provides solution for data-driven crop planning, ensuring better yield and resource utilization. Smart farming. This involves using technology to optimize smart operations. Think drones for spraying pesticides or sensors to monitor soil moisture. Precision farming technique like this can significantly improve efficiency and reduce waste. Farm gate to fork. This refers to the entire journey of a product from farm to consumer's plate. AgriTech helps bridge the gap by providing solutions for storage, logistics, and ensuring food traceability through blockchain technology. Data governance. Data is king in AgriTech. Easy access to reliable data empowers farmers and agri-businesses to make informed decisions. The Indian government is actively promoting AgriTech. Here are some key initiatives. India boasts a vibrant agri-startup ecosystem with numerous innovative solutions. The government provides financial and technical support to nurture these startups. AgriStack. This is a digital infrastructure designed to facilitate the delivery of AgriTech services to farmers. It's like a one-stop shop for all things AgriTech. Agricultural Data Exchange. This open source platform allows data sharing between farmers, startups, and the government. This data can be used to develop customized AgriTech solutions. Digital Agriculture Mission. This mission aims to empower AgriTech startups by leveraging cutting-edge technologies like AI and cloud computing. Challenges in AgriTech adoption. While AgriTech holds immense promise, there are challenges to overcome. Limited digital literacy. Many farmers lack this technical expertise to use these technologies. Infrastructural barriers. Poor internet connectivity in rural areas hinders the adoption of AgriTech solutions. Resources constraints. Smallholder farmers may not have the financial resources to invest in new technologies. Resistance to change. Traditional farming practices are deeply ingrained, and some farmers might be hesitant to embrace change. To ensure the success of AgriTech in India, there are some key strategies. Bridging the digital divide. Providing digital literacy training and improving rural infrastructure are crucial. Income diversification. AgriTech can create new income streams for farmers, like developing and marketing AgriTech solutions. Building awareness, educating farmers about the benefits of AgriTech is essential for wider adoption. Public-private collaboration. Collaboration between the government and private sector can accelerate AgriTech development. AgriTech has a potential to revolutionize Indian agriculture. Here's a glimpse of the positive impact. Environmental benefits. Precision farming techniques can reduce waste, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and promote sustainable practices. Economic benefits. Increased yields, better resource management, and market access can improve farmer income and boost the rural economy. AgriTech is transforming the agricultural landscape in India by addressing the challenges and harnessing its potential. We can ensure a future where Indian agriculture is not just productive but also sustainable and prosperous.